Hello everyone! In this video today, I will be talking about informal versus formal language and when we use each one. So when we are speaking in English, many students, they will first learn all of the formal language, such as hello, how are you today? It's nice to meet you. So we do not always speak like this though. If we are speaking with a close friend, a family member, a significant other like boyfriend, girlfriend, husband or wife, all of these people, even our neighbors, we will not speak like this with them. We will use the informal language instead. So, for example, instead of hello, how are you today? We would just say, hey, how's it going? Or hey, what's up? This would be informal language. So when we are speaking to someone, we know, we are familiar with this person. We do not start every conversation in a formal way. This is just seen as very strange, to be honest. However, there are also some times, some situations where we should definitely be using formal language, not informal. For example, at work, even in a job interview, if you are giving a speech to many people about some kind of problem, then we will often use formal language instead. Formal language will make us seem more professional than the informal language. So for business, for work, we will always use the formal language instead. So it is very important to remember that we do not always use the formal language that you are taught in school. When we are having a conversation with someone, for conversational English, we will often use informal language instead. So remember that next time you have a conversation with somebody. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.